Hey, it's your girl Isha here, Carnivalista in Chief of the Carnivalista Lifestyle, and I hope you are well. Today I am bringing you a 10 by 10 packing list. I am actually heading to Toronto, so this list is for you if you are heading somewhere north. So we're thinking 20 degree, 30 degree, even 40 degree Fahrenheit temperatures. And I'm gonna show you 10 items that I'm gonna be taking with me. Actually, I cheated a little bit, just a little bit. And if you're not even sure what 10 by 10 means, then definitely keep watching, and this video is for you. All right, so the 10 by 10 challenge was created by Style B, and you can find her blog online. And it really was meant to be like a capsule wardrobe, where in limiting the number of items that you have available to wear, it makes it easier to get dressed every day. So I saw a number of people translated this into packing for travel, so I thought, let me try it. Never tried it before. You're supposed to pick 10 items, and if you're using it for a capsule wardrobe, you will wear it for 30 days. But in this case, I was going to be going to Toronto for 7 days, so I have 10 items to wear over 7 days. So your 10 items are tops, sweaters, pants, dresses, shoes, coats, or jackets, and you're supposed to pick 10 of those. As I said, I cheated. Shh, don't tell anybody. I picked 13 items in total to pack for my Toronto trip. And here are the items. I started with 4 tops. The top on the left is actually upcycled. It is a men's sweater that I downsized and cropped. And the other 3 tops, which is a multicolored top, a black gray mixed top, and a plain gray top, they're all long sleeved. And I actually made those 3. They are me made. Then I selected 2 toppers to wear over these tops because it is going to be cold in Toronto. And I selected 3 pairs of shoes. So the toppers, the first one is actually an Old Navy jacket that I decorated, added flowers, and I also added a decal at the back. So you'll see that when I do the video of the full outfits. The second topper is a bolero that I purchased from Versona in Durham, in the Durham area. And the shoes that I selected, one was a calf high pair of boots, tan boots that I bought from Duo Boots. The flats I purchased from Amazon. They're Blue Dream pairs, I believe. And then the booties, black booties, I purchased those when I went to Portugal a few years ago. And finally, we have the bottoms and 1 dress. So I packed 2 bottoms in total. One is a pair of black jeans that I purchased from Long Tall Sally a few years ago. The second item, or the second bottom, is a skirt, an A-line skirt. It's actually wool lined. I purchased that from Ricky's. Has to be at least 20 years ago. I've had this for a very long time, and it still looks great and wears well. And then finally, I have a sleeveless knitted sweater dress that is a little bit below the knees that I purchased from Versona. Again, this was a Versona purchase in Durham, as I said before. So those are all of the top 13 items that I carried with me to Toronto. Let's get into the actual outfits and how I put them together. Outfit 1 are my black jeans. I do have the gray black me made top plus my embellished jean jacket in this one. I am wearing gold flats with it, and I have a colorful scarf. This was actually a purchase that I made in Argentina a couple years ago when I went there. And these are hand woven scarves that I thought were absolutely beautiful. And they are being pulled all together for this outfit number 1. Outfit 2 are the black jeans with the lilac upcycled sweater that I talked about earlier, plus these tan boots that I purchased from Duo Boots a number of years ago. Outfit 3 are the black jeans with a multi-top, one of the long sleeve tops that I made, plus the black booties with this outfit, and a hat that I got from, don't remember where I purchased this hat actually. It has Pretty Young Thing on it, and I just love to wear it. It's really comfortable, especially since it's cold. There's going to be some rain. It would be good for me to take at least 1 hat. It all off, I'm also wearing a wrap scarf that is extremely warm from Me Colleen. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. My husband purchased this for me a couple years ago. I believe it was a birthday gift. Outfit 4, we have the black jeans again, the gray top that I made, plus the store-bought bolero, and I'm pulling them all together with my gold flats here in this outfit. In this outfit, we have my black jeans. I am wearing the gray me-made top, and I'm also adding the tan boots, wearing them over the jeans, and I'm also adding my embellished jackets that, as I said before, I purchased it from Old Navy, and I added the flowers, which my aunt generously gave to me. And on the back, you have a decal that I actually purchased from Mood Fabrics earlier this year, and I love it. I just love how all of the colors came together. The decal looks great. People always stop me to ask me or tell me that they really love the jacket and where I got it. So it's just one of those items that I love to wear all the time. And of course, you have to take it when you travel. When you travel, you take what you love to wear. In outfit 6, I'm wearing that upcycled lilac sweater that I mentioned, plus the sleeveless sweater dress and black booties. For a little bit of fun, here's my mom posing on video call because she wanted to be in this video. Until she found out that I actually was going to use the footage, then she decided that she didn't want to be in the video, but I added it in anyway. Hope you enjoy seeing my mom posing. Onward to outfit 7, we have this sleeveless sweater dress that I love wearing, the Old Navy embellished jacket that I mentioned before, and the tan boots to pull the look together. Outfits 8 to 10 is the sleeveless sweater dress again, with any of the tops layered underneath it with the gold flats or any of the other pairs of shoes. Outfit 11 is the wool A-line skirt plus gray top plus that jacket and black booties. Outfit 12 is the gray top plus that A-line skirt again and the gold flats. And I'm wearing my Argentinian scarf here in this outfit. Outfit number 13, the skirt, A-line skirt with the multi-printed top with the bolero over it and the tan boots. And I added some colored tights here to give a little bit more variety. And last but not least, outfit number 14, the A-line skirt with the gray black top plus black booties, and those green tights are making another appearance with a scarf that is super, super warm, as you can see from all of the other times it's been used in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please help us reach 500 subscribers. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, definitely follow at Carnivalista Lifestyle. As always, hugging you up.